Now you have seen that we have been typing the values into the variables, you know, programmatically. We just coded them like that. Will it not be nice if we allow the users to type their own values into the variables? I'm just saying it, but it works, right? You can do that. So if it's an entry form, we are supposed to let the users type their own data, and it will be manipulated and then bring out the output. So here I set the name, that is my name, to the variable name, and then my age to the variable age, and then I printed them out. But I would also suggest that we do give the opportunity for the users to type their input or data dynamically. And how can we do that? Now think about this. We have the cout for printing output to the console. Don't you also think we have like cin? I'm just saying it. Of course, it's true. Your guess is as good as mine. We have cin as well, and that is what we use to type the input into the console. So how do we do that? I'm going to declare this and set it to, I'll just declare this right here, okay, and I'm going to declare my age also right here. I'm not going to assign any value to it now. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say cin, and then look at the bracket has changed, the angle bracket. The angle bracket has changed from left to right, so it's like the greater than. Now we are accepting input, so that's turned into greater than, and no more less than, two less than, it's just two more greater than. So cin, we turn the angle to right, that is greater than, and then we set it to the value that we want to put in. In that case, we are setting it to name, so we're going to accept name and put it right here. And also we're going to do another thing, cin, and we set that one to age as well. And finally we will cout your name is name and you are 8 years old. Okay, so let's see if we don't have any errors. It will run. Okay, storage name isn't known. Let's see the error that we have, child name. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to set this one to empty string, okay, empty characters like this. Okay, we're going to set that to empty like that. So let's print it out, and yes, we have, look at this. Okay, so we don't have any command telling us what to do, but I can actually type my name right there, okay, and my age is 23, and it says your name is Godfrey, you are 23 years old. So here what I need to do is to come out with a command, a statement that is going to tell the users what they are supposed to do there. So I'm going to do cout, and then I will do enter your name. Okay, I'll do cout and I'll say enter your name, and here I'll do the same thing for the age. Okay, so I'll say age, enter your age. Okay, so I'll run this, and these are going to serve as the placeholder for, so it says enter your name. Okay, I'm going to leave some spaces right here. All right, so I'll run that, enter your name. My name is Godfred, enter your age 23, and it says your name is Godfred and you are 23 years old. So we can just add any other thing. So we can say my name is Franklin, yeah, my name is Franklin and I'm 345 years old. You can see, so now we are just accepting the input from the user dynamically. So look at how this works. First we set our variables to empty. We just initialize our variables, and then we will assign it to the input. So here we are accepting input from the name, which will be the input we get here will be assigned to the variable name right here, and here the input we also get from the age will be assigned to the variable age right here, and finally we will print out in the same command as we did. let's try that on mathematics, yes, on calculations, and see how we do that. And with this, you are supposed to have an idea of how our calculator project is going to work. So I'm going to say int first number equals, I'm not going to set it, I'm going to say int second number. I'm not going to set that one as well, but I'm going to do cin, and you see the angle, and the cin is going to be the first number. Don't forget, you're going to give your prompt. So first number, I'm going to see out something, so enter your number. I'm going to copy this first number, and then I'll put it here, enter first number. So enter first number right here, and then again I'm going to copy this, and say enter second number, enter second number, and here I'll assign it to the second number. So finally we are going to say int, we're going to do the total. So we're going to say C out and say the sum of the two numbers is, and right here we come and say is first number, just as we did previously, second number, but here we're actually taking the data dynamically from the users. So let's run and see. Okay, so enter first number, my first number is 34, enter second number is 65, and I have 99 right here for me. You can just try your hands on different numbers and it will do the calculations for you. So this is how we get we take input from the users dynamically and store it into our variables. Okay, so this is how it works. All right, so we meet in the next lesson for more updates. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not. There are more videos, more educative videos coming up. All right, see you in the next lesson.